Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Joy, and I am here to do yet another unboxing. You might as well call me half a techie girl. Well, not a half a techie auto body girl. Yes. So I am unboxing this 1/2-inch impact wrench. So basically, again, if you guys are not in a position to go to your mechanic, these are some DIYs that you can actually do for yourself. And look at the picture. It's for taking off nuts and bolts on your tire. Now, if you try to change your own tire after the dealer has already done it, it ain't gonna happen. You need a special tool. And guys, I'm going to unbox this special tool from Chicago Electric Power Tools. And we're gonna do in another video, test how to use it. And yes, your girl Joy is going to be using it for herself, so that I'll show you that anyone can possibly do anything. There are no limits to the things that you can do, especially if you can't afford to get it done or if you have no one else to help you do it. So I will have in the description box where you can get this item, and also you can see right here, this is the item number and this is the company, Chicago Electric Power Tools. But if I find the link, make it easy for you just to click on it. So this is the first time I am absolutely unboxing this, and I'm not necessarily like an equipment geek at all, but I do need to rotate my tires in my vehicle, so I will attempt to do this with my assistant. But let's read some of the specs. So it's a 120 volt, so 60 hertz, takes up 7 amps, and the speed is 2100 RPM, so that's pretty dope. The max torque is 230 feet or pounds. Impact rate is 2500 BPM, and the power cord is 6 feet long and is 7 inches. So here's the power cord, just a regular power cord, and you got some distance. And hopefully when I'm rotating my tire, there'll be enough room to do so. Plus I'll have an extension cord. So the features are rugged cast aluminum nose with lightweight high impact housing. Ooh, rockets switch for one hand, forward, reverse. So it can do forward or reverse. See, all we have to do is switch it back and forth, and one will go forward, the other will go reverse. That is so dope. Any other cool things about this? I don't know, but let's look at the manual. Will I look at the manual? You know, guys, I don't like looking at manuals, so let's put that away. This is what it looks like. Woo! Y'all, I need to hurry up and get back into the gym more. I would say this feels like a good maybe 20 pounds. It's really cute, I guess. It's cool. Oh, look at the rubber. This is the rubber thing that holds it. Nice, nice. I can't wait to show you how to use it. Ooh, the handle and the grip is really cool. The grip is really nice. The handling is really nice. Very nice. And also, ouch, you got a 37 piece combination impact sockets. It's from the company called Pittsburgh, and it's SAE metric. That's the item number. Again, I'll probably have the description down in the below. So what it includes is high visibility, easy to read markings. So that's really dope. There it is right there. See, 1/13/4. Black oxide coating to prevent rust. Really good. Chrome vanadium construction, and all of the different sockets that it comes with. So let's take this apart and see what it looks like. Let's take this apart. I like how they have the green color for the lock. So it kind of, you know, has a different color outside of just the black casing. Let me take this plastic off. Oops. And let's lift this out of here. I'll hold on to that for later. So, oh, it's so easy to open. Easy to open. Uh-oh, both sides need to be. Oh, so I have to get something to break the seal. Okay, I'll be back, guys. I want to get something to break this seal so to open. Let me close it back so it doesn't just fly out. We'll be back. So I'm just going to use my scissor to kind of safely break that. There we go. Be careful. Make sure your hands are not in the way. So now we can open it. Oh. Ooh, I like that they have this aluminum right there. Sorry about that. Ooh. All of these cool pieces. And you know what I like about this too? There's like a coating on the inside, like an oil coating, just to keep everything lubricated. You see my finger? It's got oil on it. So this has been sitting in lubrication. So that's really cool. This goes over here. Nope. This goes over here. This goes here. Oh, this is very cool, guys. I already took the rubber off. I really like this. And this one piece. Oh, this goes here. Looks like we're missing a few pieces. Oh, there they are. That's strange. Where does this go? Maybe this goes here. That goes there. And where's this one? Did something drop out? The adapter. Looks like the adapter might not be there. Oh, nope. So let's look at this right here till we find it. 11/16. And then the company's name is on there. CRV, 11/16 inch. So depending on your vehicle and the nuts and bolts. And this is another, looks like this is just an adapter. It's really cool, guys. The only thing is I don't know where this goes. That's just the whole thing. I'm not sure. This is supposed to go there. I'm not sure where this goes. It says 7/16. This is 11/16. This is 13. We'll just have to figure it out. 11/16 goes here. Okay. So 11/16 goes here. And which number is this? This is 13. And this is 13. That goes there. Oh, this must be the adapter. Cool. All right, so guys, this is part 1 of the unboxing for the 1/2 or a 1/2 inch impact wrench. 120 volts. To reduce the risk of injury, user read the manual. So y'all know I'm probably going to be one of those that need to read the manual. I'm not going to even power it on, but we'll do it together on another day. So I appreciate you guys watching me unbox this particular tool. I can't wait to use it to rotate my tires. And this is just strictly to get any nuts or bolts off of your vehicle. And then this beautiful Pittsburgh metric combination sockets. This is really cool. Let's close it up. Oh, this is upside down. Let's close this up and let's look at it close. These sockets weigh at least 20 pounds as well. And it comes oiled. So there's some oil already in there to keep it lubricated, just like it said, so it won't dry up. And there you have it, guys. See you soon. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please definitely thumbs it up, share it out with others. Maybe they might want to invest in this, especially in times like this where it's really kind of difficult. Some people, it's very difficult to get to the mechanics or your dealership, but we can DIY it ourselves, and we'll have another video where we show how to use it. All right, guys. Again, if you enjoyed what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions as to where that piece went, definitely let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Definitely check out the channel. There are a lot of other great things that go on besides just unboxings and challenges. So my name is Joy, and I'm signing out on another quick unboxing of my tools. And yeah, this is your girl Joy Techie / toolkit chick. That's what I'm gonna name myself, Techie / toolkit chick. Yes. All right, see you guys soon. Bye. Okay, wait a minute, I'm back. So I figured it out. Just read the box, right? This is 13, it goes here. This is 12, and it goes there. So I had everything switched up. Not everything is a complete set. So there are no pieces missing, just so in case anybody was wondering, no pieces missing. Everything is clearly marked, so you can't miss it. It's marked on the actual socket itself. It's marked on the socket itself. And it is also marked on the case. All right, keep your tools nice and clean and nice and lubricated. See ya.